Hi everyone, welcome to the outdoor scavenger hunt list of items for the Girl Scouts Eastern Washington, Northern Idaho weekend of fun. Um, so our goal of this activity is just to get everyone out breathing some fresh, clean air. Maybe learn a couple things along the way, look for some fun items, and just kind of feel a big part of our Girl Scout community. We'll share photos at the end and next week and give out some special awards and just hope everybody has a really fun time with it. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have 1 point items. So each item that you find is worth a different number of points. So these 4 items, a cat, a dog, a sign of some kind, and a dandelion are each worth 1 point, and you only get 1 point total. So if you see 10 dandelions, you still get 1 point. Sorry, they're everywhere. Our 2 point items. So we have a feather, a bird nest, a heart-shaped rock, a pine cone, a squirrel, ants, spider web. For ants, we do hope to see at least 5 ants all in the same place. Spider web, butterfly, worm, bee, or hornet. So again, you guys are going outside. You do not have to go on a 10-mile hike or something. We're just trying to encourage you to get out and about. So if you have a park nearby you can go to, or a short little hike, or a walk in nature, all of those would probably work. If you have to walk around your neighborhood, I'm sure you'll be able to see some of these things around your neighborhood as well. If it has an asterisk by it, it means that you have bonus points attached to that item. So if you find one of those, you can get extra bonus points. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. Um, so our 3 point items, a mushroom, snail or slug, frog or tadpole, a deer, moss or lichen. You're looking for all of those things, and extra knowledge equals extra points. So if you did find a bird nest, you get extra bonus points for telling us what type of bird it belongs to. Find a pine cone, bonus points for what type of tree it belongs to. You don't have to find a bee or a hornet, but you can tell us what the difference is for an extra 5 bonus points. A mushroom, what kind of mushroom? 5 bonus points. Moss or lichen, again, you don't have to find it, but if you tell us what the difference is, that's 5 bonus points. Something cool that wasn't listed. We know there's all kinds of fun stuff that you might see while out and about on your adventure. So there is an award for most unique thing found. So tell us what all the cool things you saw were, and you get 5 bonus points, and you'll also be entered into that award draw. See who has the coolest thing that they found. Evidence that an animal was there, you just have to tell us what evidence you saw. Something edible, tell us what it was. A native plant, and someone prepared to be outside. So how did you know that they were prepared to be outside? What did you notice about them? And then if you do find 3 of something, you get even more bonus points. 3 different types of trees that you can name are worth 12 points. Different types of birds, 12 points. Different types of wildflowers, 12 points. So we found some cool apps you can use to help you identify them. You can, of course, go online and look for some sort of chart like this, especially if you're trying to match a pine cone to a tree. It'll kind of give you a picture of what the branches look like and what the tree looks like, so you can narrow it down a little bit. But this Leaf Snap app also will let you take a picture of it, and it'll kind of use your picture to help you identify it. Or you can answer some questions about what your tree looks like, and it'll help you narrow it down. Same thing with the Merlin Bird ID. It'll ask questions about where you are, what color is the bird, how big is the bird, and then it'll give you kind of some options, and you can be like, oh, it looks just like that. It must be blank. And same thing with wildflowers. The Washington Wildflower Search app is just one. Idaho has one as well, but it'll do the same thing. It'll ask, where are you? It knows it's springtime, so it'll be like, hey, these are all of the purple flowers that are growing in that area at this time of year. So it'll give you kind of a shorter list to see what your match is. So we do encourage you to use some of these while you're out and about. And when you are submitting your answers, you can either print out this list to take with you so that you can check things off. It does have the point value as well as a place to identify what it was that you found. Also, it has our special awards at the bottom: highest points, most unique photo, most unique thing found overall, and most things found. So maybe other people got all their points with their knowledge, but if you found almost everything on the list, maybe you could win that one. So you can print this out, or we do have a Google form you could just kind of have on your phone as you're out and about and check things off. So let's take a look at that form. Outdoor scavenger hunt form. So we just need your name, your troop number, and you have a place here to upload some pictures. You can upload 3 of your favorite photos of what you saw for best picture. And then also we'd love to see a picture of you on your adventure. So you can upload those there. If you don't want to sign into Google to do that, you can also email us your photos at gs@home@gsewni.org. And then you just check off all the things that you found, and then extra knowledge for extra points. You can tell us all of those things down here. So that's how you submit. And again, if you want to just email us your printed out list of all the things you checked off and your pictures, you can do that here as well. So good luck, everybody, and we will share special award winners next week. And we hope you have a wonderful weekend outside.